Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe. And this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am so glad you're here. Here I share decorating and home organization tips. Now if this is your kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now today I am sharing with you my summer coffee table decor. Now what I always have on here is my wedding pictures, a candle, and then I have my, I love copper. Then I have my copper candle accessories. And then this is the remote or the wobble, or how you want to call it, to the Boss radio system. Well, my centerpiece here, which I always use this white tray, it was thrifted. And then I have some coasters that are clear, my white porcelain birds that I purchased from Amazon. Then I have some kind of, I want to say, raspberry and purplish looking flowers around the bird. And then here to the side I have 3 of my beautiful crystal candle holders with purple paper candles. Now these purple candles were purchased from Amazon if you're interested. I found a wonderful company on there where I've been buying all my different color candles from. Now the centerpiece here that I love the most are my 2 white books, and then the piece of resistance is this flower arrangement. Now this is a globe from the Dollar Tree, and in it I put in some peonies that I ordered from Amazon. They are purple, mauve, lavender. I really love these. And this is what started my color theme for my summer this year. So I'm loving these peonies. They look great on this setting. And I'm loving how I did the flower arrangement on the table. I think it looks really pretty. I'm liking this table setting for my tablescape this season. I hope you enjoyed this short little video, but I want to share this with you all. I'm really loving these peonies and the color they're bringing to my home for this summer season. Now tell me what you think about my peonies, and of course my coffee table decor down below. I would love to read your comments. If you want to explore more, why don't you click on one of these videos I have listed here.